Welcome back to Be My Cook. In today's video, we're going to be making easy zucchini casserole. Stay tuned. To make this easy zucchini casserole, you're going to need ground sirloin, 3 zucchinis, a yellow onion chopped, cheddar cheese. I'm using a Mexican cheese blend also with a small amount of cheddar cheese, cottage cheese, cream of mushroom soup, white rice, oregano, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Let me show you the next step. I've added 1 pound of ground sirloin to my pan, and I'm also going to add about a half a cup of chopped yellow onion, and we're going to turn on the heat, and we're going to brown our ground sirloin and our onion. We're going to add a little bit of pepper, a few shakes, and a few shakes of salt. Now, as our ground sirloin is cooking, we're going to chop up some zucchini. Let's chop our zucchini. Make sure that you wash all your produce. And we're going to make the slices pretty thin. About like that. So let's just continue with our zucchini. Almost done. This is the last zucchini. I put them all in a bowl. Now this is enough for a 13 by 9 casserole dish. Let's check on our ground sirloin. It's getting brown. We're cooking it on a medium-low heat. And once this gets brown, we will drain it. Now in this pan, I'm going to heat up about a half a cup of water, which I have in here already, and I'm going to add our zucchini to this pan. Now let me get a lid to put on this. And we're going to let this cook until it gets slightly tender. We're not looking to cook the zucchini all the way through. Now I went ahead and took my zucchini out of the saucepan and put it in this skillet to see what I mean about the zucchini getting partially cooked and what it should look like. It's a better visual in this pan than the saucepan. So we're just going to continue to stir it around. We're going to turn that up to like medium high to get this going. We're going to add a little bit of salt to this zucchini. Now I turned off our ground beef for now. I've drained it and I've turned it off for now, and we're going to let that rest until we get the zucchini cooked, and then I'll show you the next step. While you're waiting for your zucchini to cook, go ahead and turn on your oven to 350 and get that preheated. Get your casserole dish ready. It's a 13 by 9. Spray it lightly with some cooking spray, so that'll be ready. Our zucchini is starting to boil in this pan, and we're going to keep cooking it until it gets translucent. Now while we're still waiting for our zucchini to become translucent, in our pan with our onion and our ground sirloin, I took it off the heat. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of oregano. Now we're going to add a half a cup of rice, and let's stir that around. Let's check on our zucchini. It's getting there. As you can see, it's getting a lot more pliable now. I would say another 2 minutes and this will be done. Our zucchini is done. I'm going to turn off the heat. Now the reason why we're cooking the zucchini first is because zucchini has a lot of water in it, and we don't want our casserole to be soggy. I'm going to drain this, and then we're going to put this together. Let's put our zucchini casserole together. First thing we're going to do, I've drained my zucchini. We're going to put few zucchini in the bottom of our pre-sprayed pan, spread it around, now we're going to take some of our beef mixture and put that on the top. Put it evenly. Okay, spread it out as evenly as you can. Now we're going to add some cottage cheese. I got about maybe 3/4 of a cup here. You're really not going to know that this cottage cheese is even in this casserole because there's not that much. We're just going to spread this around. You're really not going to taste it. And if you don't like it, don't put it in. That's perfectly fine. Now we're going to add more of our zucchini on the top. Let's kind of spread this out a little bit. Now we're going to add our cream of mushroom soup. Spread that around. Now we're ready for our cheddar cheese. Now we're going to bake this in the oven at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes uncovered. And I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. My casserole is out of the oven. Now I'm going to check it because the rice that we put in this casserole was not pre-cooked. So the way to tell if this is done is to check a little piece, which I have here, to see if the rice is done. If it is not, put it in for another 10 minutes. Here is our easy zucchini casserole. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. Enjoy!